This is a 2016 WAEC question. Copy and complete the values of x for equation y equals to 2x raised to power 2 minus 7x minus 9 for minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. The second question, using the scales of 2 cm for 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 cm for 4 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of y equals to 2x minus 7x, 2x raised to power 2 minus 7x minus 9 for minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. First of all, we draw a table and put these figures of minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. That is ranging from minus 3 to 6. So the table is x and then y. We cross, we form the columns. For the first x, minus 3, start going down, minus 2, start going up rather, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw your lines. Now, let's find the values of y and use it to fill these. Let's fill in these boxes. Y equal to 2 into x raised to power 2 is minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 7 into minus 3 minus 9 equal to 2 minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is plus, is positive. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is plus 9. You multiply it by 2, you have 18. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 is positive. That is positive 21. 7 times 3 is 21. You still retain the minus, cancel minus. You have plus 21 minus 9, which is equal to 18 plus 21. 8 plus 1, you have 9. 1 plus 2, you have 3. 39 minus 9, we have 30. So the figure here is 30. You fill in the second one. Y equal to 2 into minus 2 raised to power 2 minus 7 into minus 2 minus 9. You have minus 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 14 minus 9, which is equal to 8 plus 14 is 22. 22 minus 9. 22 here minus 9. 3, 13. You have 13. The figure here is 13. Come to this side. Y equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 7 into minus 1 minus 9 equal to minus 1 raised to power 2. 2 into minus 1 raised to power 2 is 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 7 minus 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. You have 0 here. Come to the next one. Y equal to 2 raised to power 0 squared minus 7 into 0 minus 9, which is equal to 2 raised to power 0 squared is 0 minus 7 minus 9. You have minus 16. Minus 16 comes here. The next one is x is equal to 1. Y equal to x 2 raised to power 1 squared minus 7 into 1 minus 1. 2 multiplied by 1 squared is 2 minus 7 multiplied by 1 is minus 7 minus 9. 2 multiplied by 7 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 9 is minus 14. Negative 14. You have as x equal to 2. X, y equal to 2 into 2 raised to power 2 minus 7 into 2 minus 9. 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Multiplied by 2 is 8. Minus 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Minus 9. 8 minus 14 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. Minus 15. The next one, as x equal to 3, y equals 2 into 3 raised to power 2 minus 7 into 3 minus 9, which is equal to 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Multiplied by 2, you have 18 minus 7 multiplied by 3 is minus 21 minus 9. 18 minus 21, you have minus 3. Minus 3 minus 9, you have minus 12. Minus 12 here. The next one is y, x equals to 4. Y equal to 2 into 4 raised to power 2 minus 7 into 4 minus 9, which is equal to 4 raised to power 2 is 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. Minus 7 multiplied by 4. Minus 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Minus 9. 32 minus 28 is 4. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So in this case, y is minus 5. You have as x equal to 5. Let's come over to this side. You have y equal to 2 into 5 raised to power 2 minus 7 into 5 minus 9. 2 raised to power 2 is 25. 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. Minus 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Minus 9, which gives us 50 minus 35 is 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. So the answer here becomes 6. Then lastly, when x equals to 6, y is equal to 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 6 raised to power 2 minus 7 multiplied by 6 minus 9, which is equal to 6 raised to power 2 is 36. 36 multiplied by 2 becomes 72. 72 minus 7 multiplied by 6 is minus 42. Minus 9, which is equal to 72 minus 42. You have 0, you have 3, 30. 30 minus 9 is 29. Is 21 rather. So the answer here becomes 21. That's the answer to the first question. Now, can we solve this in our various graph books? Thank you. Continue to like, share, and follow me for more.